All right, guys, market update. Right now it is currently 3:18 in the afternoon. So right now we are going to explain to you guys why we entered GBP CAD and what I believe is going to happen later into London session. We still have to wait for the daily candlestick to close. So going into the charts, GBP CAD, we were originally interested in selling based off of the strong level of support, being used as resistance as a triple top. Price came up into this area and it was creating this 4-hour bearish engulfing. And then I waited for the 30-minute to have a shift of structure. As soon as the 30-minute had to shift the structure, I sent the message to you guys to basically enter the trade. The entry signal was there. I waited a little bit, got a little bit better of an entry, and then price had a very strong push to the downside where we were up nearly $1,000. And we never go break even in our positions, especially at such an early point in the challenge. So we continue to hold. Price came back to around break even. Beautiful left head, right shoulder, retest the neckline, rejected the neckline, and now it doesn't even look like it's respecting, and now it looks more like it's heading to the upside. Obviously, we're in the lower volume of the New York session, so I can't really expect much from it. I do believe that the daily time frame should close bearish below this candlestick right here. If you close bearish below this candlestick, we should continue going to the downside for the next day. Our stop loss is above the high of that wick, so even if we close below it and we create a wick on the next day, we should still continue to have a push to the downside. But we have to wait and see. It's about an hour and a half before the candlestick closes, and we're going to continue to set and forget. Right now, the account, show you guys how it's looking. The account right now is at negative $171, so we haven't taken any other trades and basically just waiting. GBP NZD, we anticipated for it to have a retest of this area to sell, which it happened perfectly, and we did not enter because it didn't give us a wick pullback. Euro GBP did kind of come into here and give us our entry, and I might make a decision to enter it later on tonight for London session, and I'll update you guys later on that. And then AUD CAD, we are approaching this area of interest for sales. So right now at the beginning of the challenge, I'm taking over. I want to make sure we can
have a strong beginning.
Yeah. I want to make sure we get a very strong takeoff, because then we can just minimize our risk, and it's easier to scale with less risk.
Yeah, of course.
Now we pretty much have to win the first trade. Yeah. Now we blow it, we start all over again. So this is how it's going, and we'll update you guys later for London session. So we'll check back in.